Hello friends, in this video we intend to introduce one of the rapidly growing cryptocurrency exchanges in the market, CoinW. This exchange was founded in 2017 by a group of Bitcoin and blockchain technology enthusiasts with the goal of transforming the future of global finance. Now, after 5 years, CoinW has become one of the leading and international exchanges in the field of cryptocurrencies. A platform with over 8 million users from 200 countries around the world supporting more than 1,000 digital assets. CoinW is a comprehensive gateway for crypto services, from trading to financial management and investment. This platform, aiming for global accessibility and financial transparency, places a strong emphasis on security, service diversity, and compliance with international regulation. Some of CoinW's key advantages include 24/7 customer support, OTC trading with support for over 40 fiat currencies, the ability to trade using bank cards, and offering launchpads for new projects. CoinW is committed to connecting blockchain technology to people's lives around the world, without borders, without discrimination, and with equal access to financial services. To register on this exchange, you can click on the register option to go to the account creation page. In this section, you can start your registration using your email or phone number. Enter an email address that you haven't previously used to open an account on this exchange. We accept the terms and conditions of the CoinW exchange and click on the Create Account option. At this stage, we activate the I'm not a robot option, and in the next step, a verification code will be sent to your registered email address by the exchange. Open the inbox folder of your email address, and as you can see, you have received the code. Copy the code from this section and paste it here. In the next step, you need to set a password for your account, which must include 8 characters, uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. And after setting your account password, click on the Confirm button. At this stage, a page will open informing you that if you want to stay logged into your account on this device for 5 days, select the Yes option, otherwise choose No. Here it suggests that you can enhance your account security using the new passkey feature. If you wish, you can activate this feature by clicking the Add option. Otherwise, click on the Maybe Later option and you can enhance your account security at a later time. Your account has been successfully created on the CoinW exchange and you are now on the main dashboard of the platform. After registering on this exchange, you need to complete the identity verification process. You can access this feature through the Profile option under the Identity Verification section. Like most reputable exchanges, CoinW offers a multi-step identity verification system to ensure security and comply with global regulations. These steps range from level 30 to level 33. By default, an unverified account is at this stage where you can only make deposits, withdrawals are not allowed, and you also cannot trade or use the quick buy feature. To fully utilize the exchange's features, you need to upgrade to at least level 31. Verification at level 31 is considered basic verification, where you complete this step simply by entering your basic information and uploading a photo of your ID card. By clicking on the Verify Now option, you enter this section, and after selecting your country of residence, you enter your personal information and click on the Submit button. At the basic verification level, you have a withdrawal limit of 2 Bitcoins within 24 hours, and you have access to deposit, withdrawal, trading, quick buy using the CoinW Card, and P2P transactions. The next verification is related to level 32. This is your initial verification, which usually requires uploading additional documents and taking a selfie. In this section, after entering the initial information and clicking on the Continue option, you proceed to the stage for uploading documents and taking a selfie. The withdrawal limit at this stage is 10 Bitcoins within 24 hours. At this level, you have full access to all services, and activating this level is recommended for professional users. The next verification is related to the advanced level, which is the highest level of verification and is designed for corporate accounts or users with high transaction volumes. The daily withdrawal limit is 100 Bitcoins and it requires additional identification documents and manual review. To access this stage, you must first have completed the level 2 verification. After entering the required information, completing the forms, and uploading the requested documents to the exchange, your verification will be completed by CoinW Exchange support after a few minutes or a few business days following their review. Our verification status was successfully completed, and the documents we uploaded were accepted by the exchange, as was our KYC status. It changed to verified. The first section of the CoinW Exchange dashboard is the Buy Crypto section, which includes three subsections: P2P, Quick Buy, and OTC Desk. We enter the Buy Crypto section. In this section, we see two main tabs. P2P trading allows users to buy and sell directly with each other without any fees, and Quick Buy enables fast purchases through the exchange system at real-time market prices. In the first section, you can see tools such as the CoinW Card, which is the exchange's dedicated card for payments and has recently been added to the platform. The user guide provides instructions on how to use the P2P section. The orders section allows you to view your previous P2P orders. And Become Merchant is for registering yourself as a seller in the P2P section. At the top of the sellers list, you can see filters that you can apply. For example, the cryptocurrency selected here is USDT, and the fiat currency in this section is UAE dirham. By clicking on this option, you can select your desired fiat currency. The payment method, and in this section, the refresh option. By selecting any of these, you can update the list of sellers. For example, I select the 30-second option so that the list of sellers is updated for me every 30 seconds. In the lower section, you can see the list of sellers, which includes information such as the seller's name, the number of successful transactions, the success rate of transactions in the past 30 days, the available amount for sale, the maximum and minimum allowed order amounts, and the payment method. And finally, there is the green buy button, which you can use to start an order without any fees. By clicking on the buy option, you enter the order stage where you need to enter the amount in dirhams and your banking information. After making the payment to the seller's account, the cryptocurrency will be transferred to your account. Please note that you must have completed the items that are indicated to you. At the bottom of the page, you will see the help section where you can review the entire P2P buying and selling process through frequently asked questions. If you have any questions, you can search for them in this section. The next section is related to Quick Buy. This section is for quickly purchasing cryptocurrency on the CoinW exchange, which is done through third-party providers. In this part, you see two main options: buy for purchasing cryptocurrency and sell for selling cryptocurrency. Below, the main purchase form is displayed, where in the spend section, you enter the amount of fiat money you want to pay, for example, $100. Please note that the minimum payment amount is $11, and in the receive section, the amount of cryptocurrency you will receive is displayed. From this section, you can select the desired cryptocurrency you wish to receive, and further down, the transaction provider is shown to you. After making your selection, you need to choose the payment method, which will display various options when you click on this section. After selecting the bank card, you will see the order information on the right side of the page. The order details, which include the provider, receiving account, the total dollar amount to be paid including fees, the exact conversion rate per unit, and finally the amount of Bitcoin you will receive in exchange for the entered tether will be displayed to you. In this section, there is a legal disclaimer, and by accepting it and clicking the Continue option, you can complete your purchase process and proceed to the payment stage. Please note that Unlimit is a third-party platform for purchasing cryptocurrencies, and if any issues arise during the transaction, you must contact Unlimit support. CoinW bears no responsibility for any losses. In the Providers section, you can choose one of the third-party providers to carry out your transaction, and note that each one offers a different price. The closer this number is to 1, the better and cheaper the price is for you. The next section is related to the OTC Desk. The block trading section, or block trade, in the CoinW exchange is specifically designed for institutional clients and high net worth individuals. This service provides a secure, fast, and private platform for executing high volume orders, allowing traders to place their orders under the best conditions without directly impacting the market. In this section, CoinW provides users with deeper liquidity, and the trading spread is much narrower compared to the public market. Additionally, settlement and trade execution services are carried out with precision, high security, and in accordance with international regulations. To use block trading services, the minimum order volume must be $50,000. Of course, this amount can be adjusted depending on the circumstances and mutual agreement. It is also emphasized that all users of this section must have fully completed the identity verification process and compliance with anti-money laundering regulation. Another important point in this regard is that CoinW does not provide any custodial or safekeeping services for assets in this service. Therefore, users must use their personal wallets, and asset transfers are carried out directly between the parties. If you wish to use this service, simply click on the Start Trading option and complete the block trade request form or contact the CoinW support team. The next section pertains to the Markets section. The Markets section, or Tools, is where users can view the real-time prices of digital assets and make decisions for trading. At the top of this section, you can see various categories. In the Favorites section, the currencies that the user has marked and is interested in are displayed. By turning on the star next to any cryptocurrency, you can review it in the Favorites section. In the Spot section, it shows you spot trades, which are the direct buying and selling of cryptocurrencies. In the Futures section, the futures market or perpetual contracts are displayed to you. In the ETF section, you can view and review leveraged and composite tokens. In the All section, it displays all assets to you. In the Search Bar section, you can search for your desired cryptocurrency, and below in the market table, information about each cryptocurrency is displayed to you in rows. This includes items such as the trading pair symbol, the last recorded price, the percentage price change in the past 24 hours, the highest price recorded in the last 24 hours, the lowest price in the 24-hour period, and a miniature chart of the price trend over the past 72 hours, all of which you can review in this section. In the Action section, you have the option to enter the trading page or place an order. By clicking the Detail option, you can review the details related to each cryptocurrency, and by clicking the Buy or Trade option, you will enter the page for conducting trades. On this page, you can carry out trades by entering the desired information and clicking the Buy button. The next section pertains to the Futures Trading section, and in the ranking area, you can review cryptocurrencies in various categories. In the Trending section, the hottest cryptocurrencies in the market are displayed to you. In the Top Gainers section, you can review the highest growth over the next 24 hours, and in the New Listing section, you can check out the newly listed tokens. And the last category pertains to the highest trading volume. In this section, trading pairs with the highest trading volume in the past 24 hours are displayed to you. The next section is related to futures trading. The futures trading section allows traders to bet on the future price of assets, whether it's in the upward direction with a buy or long position or in the downward direction with a sell or short position. This tool is available for professional trading with high leverage and advanced control features. In this section, you can see real-time information about the futures contract, which is currently set to the Bitcoin USDT pair, including the current price, mark price, index price, and funding rate. And next to the trade panel, you can also see supplementary tools. In this section, by entering the relevant information, you can open your trades, and if you have an open position or have executed a trade, you can review them at the bottom of the page according to their current status. You can review your open positions in this section, copy trading positions in the next section, your orders, position history, and matters related to transfers all within this area. The next section pertains to the trading area, which includes two subsections, Spot and ETF. Spot trading means the immediate buying and selling of digital assets with instant delivery. This type of trading is suitable for those who want to directly buy or sell cryptocurrency, become the actual owner of the asset, and trade at market prices without leverage. The key features of this section are instant and real settlement. There is no risk of liquidation, and it can be used for both short-term strategies and long-term holding. The slogan of CoinW Exchange in this section is "Trade instantly and seize every opportunity." The next section is about ETFs. Leveraged ETF trading in the exchange traded funds section of CoinW allows you to trade with leverage without the need for margin or worrying about liquidation. ETFs are leveraged tokens that simulate multiple returns, for example, 2 or 3 times the price movement of the underlying asset. The advantage of ETFs on CoinW is that they offer multiple returns from both upward and downward market fluctuations. They are free from the risk of liquidation and are suitable for temporary and opportunistic traders. CoinW's slogan for this section is "Enhance returns without the risk of liquidation." In this section, you can see the chart related to the cryptocurrency, and here you can easily change your selected symbol. The next section is about copy trading, which includes 2 parts: futures and spot. The first part is related to copy trading in the futures market. By selecting this option, you can automatically copy the futures trades of professional traders into your own account. The features of this section are that it offers potentially high profits with experience in the two-way market, both long and short position. Setting the investment amount for each copied trade and personal risk management by setting take profit and stop loss are among the features of this section. CoinW's slogan in this section is "Build your wealth by following futures traders." At the bottom of the page, you can review famous traders in the futures copy trading section. By selecting any of them, you'll enter their dedicated page where you can check the details of each trader. By choosing the copy option, this person's trades will be automatically copied for you. The next section is related to copy trading in the spot market. In this section, you follow the spot trades of professional traders, meaning the direct buying and selling of digital assets without leverage. This section is suitable for beginners, and among its features, we can mention the absence of liquidation risk and the ability to choose a trader by reviewing their past performance and strategy. CoinW's slogan in this section is that by following spot traders, you can seize your financial opportunities. As you can see at the bottom of the page, you are able to review spot market traders, and by selecting any of them, you can enter their personal page and examine the details related to each trader thoroughly and in detail. Keep in mind that both options are designed so that beginner users can benefit from the experience of professional traders without needing extensive technical knowledge. If you want to take advantage of trading opportunities without spending time analyzing the market, copy trading is an excellent option. All you need to do is select your desired trader and click the copy button so their trades will be automatically executed in your account as well. We accept the terms and conditions related to copy trading, and by clicking the confirm option, we enter the order setup page. On this page, you can specify the investment amount and how the system will execute trades when copying from a trader. In the fixed amount section, you determine how much capital will be used for each trade copied from the trader. And in the multiply section, for each trade, 5 Tether USDT from your account will be allocated. The margin for each position will be 5 USDT. Keep in mind that you can increase or decrease this amount depending on your account balance or your risk tolerance, and you can choose any amount from a minimum of $5 up to $20,000. In the copy amount section, you need to enter the total amount of capital you wish to allocate for copying trades. For example, if you enter 100 USDT, the system will automatically use that amount and follow the trader's trades up to that limit. And if you click on the max option, the maximum balance of your spot account will be considered. Please note that our current spot account balance is 0, so we need to make a deposit. By clicking this option, we can transfer the balance from the funding account to the spot account. We enter the desired amount and click on the confirm option, and $10 is transferred from our funding account to the spot account. By selecting the maximum option, we enter the amount of $10. In the Auto Copy New Pairs section, by enabling this option, the system will automatically copy any new trading pairs chosen by the trader. If it is disabled, only the pairs that are currently checked will be copied. In the Trading Pairs section, you can specify which currency pairs will be copied by the system. In this example, all 74 currency pairs have been selected, but for better management, you can use the Edit button to select only specific currencies. In the next section, which relates to price slippage, you can set the amount of slippage allowed when executing trades. The amount set in this section is 3%. This means that if the trader's order is executed with a delay, up to a 3% price difference is acceptable. A higher number increases the likelihood of the trade being executed, but it also carries the risk of entering at a worse price. After applying all the settings we've mentioned, we click the Save button, so the system will start copying the trader's trades. We are currently copying this person's trades. By selecting the Unfollow option, we can stop copy trading. In this section, it asks us if we are sure we want to unfollow this trader, and by clicking Unfollow, all the positions we've copied from this trader will be immediately closed upon canceling the follow. Please note that by clicking the Unfollow option, all our open trades will be closed, whether they are in profit or loss, and after that, no more trades from this trader will be executed for us. The next section is about the bots feature, which has recently been added to the CoinW exchange. In this part, the exchange guide teaches you all the sections step by step. In the CoinW trading bot section, users can operate like professional traders using automated tools without the need for manual trading. This section offers a variety of features for creating and copying successful strategies, which can be used in different markets, including spot and futures. In this part, you will see two options: My Bots and User Guide. My Bots displays a list of bots that the user has created or is following, while the User Guide provides a comprehensive manual for using the bots. In the Strategy Academy section, there is a complete educational center for learning how to create strategies and use them effectively, which you can explore. Through Refer to Reward, you can earn a percentage of the profits from the trades of people you refer. And finally, GPT-TradeAI is an artificial intelligence tool that helps design and optimize trading strategies. Further down, you can see the bot list. There is a list of various bots that can be created, which you can use depending on your strategy and the type of market. Also, in the bot marketplace section, you can view bots designed by other users and use them if you wish. Each bot displays complete information, including the type of strategy, leverage, total profit, return on investment, execution duration, and risk level over the past 7 days. Overall, this section is a professional tool for traders who want to manage their capital more precisely using smart and automated bots, or for those who wish to use the successful strategies of others without much experience. The next section pertains to the Earn segment, which includes two subsections, Simple Earn and Auto Invest. In the first part, which is related to Simple Earn, the CoinW Earn section on the CoinW exchange provides a great opportunity to earn daily income from your unused cryptocurrencies. In this section, users are able to earn a specified profit over a certain period of time by holding their assets in either a fixed or flexible manner. The slogan of this section means that even if you don't intend to trade, you can still earn income simply by holding your assets. In the first part, which is related to event product, investment plans with attractive interest rates are displayed for a limited time. These plans are divided into two groups: general users and new users. In the second section, which covers all products, you can choose one option from among the flexible, floating, and fixed investment options. Flexible plans allow you to make withdrawals at any time. The annual profit is offered as a combination of the base rate plus a bonus. As for fixed plans, you need to lock your assets for a specific period of time. The interest rate is fixed, and withdrawals before the end of the term are usually not allowed or are subject to a penalty. These plans are also offered in the form of event products. Please note that profits are stated as reference APR, meaning the approximate annual rate, and each currency has its own investment period and interest rate. Plans marked with a fire icon, like the one you see here, indicate the popularity of the cryptocurrency, and there are also options to search and filter based on currency type, interest rate, or investment period. You can use the search bar to check the item. The next section is related to Auto Invest. This section is a smart tool for automatic investing that allows you to make investments on a regular schedule without the need for constant management. This service is designed for users with a medium to long-term outlook and offers a combination of convenience, flexibility, and strategy. The slogan of this section is that while earning profits, you have complete freedom to deposit and withdraw your assets. The setup steps are as follows. In the first step, you select an asset or portfolio. You can choose a specific cryptocurrency, a recommended bundle, or even your own customized portfolio for investment. The second step is to specify the investment amount. You enter the amount of USDT you want to allocate to the plan. In the third step, you set the schedule, choosing whether the investment will be made daily, weekly, or monthly. The fourth step is automatic execution. From this point on, your plan will be carried out automatically at the specified times. Below, you can see the recommended plans. Various coins are suggested to you along with their historical return rates. For each asset, you can choose different time periods: 6 months, 1 year, 2 years, or 3 years. Some plans are also shown with negative returns. This allows users to make decisions based on their risk tolerance. In the ready-made portfolio section, if you are interested in diversified investing, CoinW has prepared several recommended portfolios in advance. If you wish, you can click on the Customize Profile option to create your desired portfolio by combining the cryptocurrencies you want. Overall, this section is an excellent option for users who want to invest in the cryptocurrency market in a regular and systematic way without the need for daily trading. With the ability to choose different portfolios and set up automatic scheduling, this tool provides the most optimized way for long-term investing. The next section is related to LaunchX, which includes 3 different subcategories. In the first section, which is related to W drops, users are given the opportunity to participate in trading campaigns, airdrops, lotteries, and new projects to receive valuable rewards. This section is a combination of introducing new projects, zero-fee opportunities, holding campaigns, and launchpads. The display statuses are divided into 3 categories of events: upcoming, waiting to be launched; active, currently running; and completed, finished. There are also filters such as new listing, off spot, and zero fee. These are available for easier categorization. Here you can see examples of active campaigns. The general terms and conditions of the events are as follows. Only users who register for the event are eligible to receive rewards. Only activities performed after registering for the event will be valid, and completing each task gives the user a lottery ticket. All tickets have a chance to win, but prizes are distributed with priority given to earlier registrations. If the prizes run out, unused tickets will expire, and creating fake accounts or any unauthorized activity will result in disqualification from the event. CoinW reserves the right to change the terms and timing of the event at any time. The next section is about Lucky Hold. This section is one of CoinW's exciting and unique campaigns that allows users to participate in high-reward lotteries by holding cryptocurrencies in designated pools and receive newly listed tokens for free. In this part, you can see examples of the pools and the prizes. Please note that each pool has a specific time period during which you must take or hold the desired cryptocurrency in your wallet. By participating in the event, you will receive lottery tickets based on the amount or value of your assets. Each ticket gives you a chance to win a prize from the respective pool. Your prizes may include airdrops of new tokens, cash rewards, or trading bonuses, and only those who have participated in the period or event and met the requirements will have a chance to enter the lottery. Users can view their participation history in the Participation History section. If you have not yet participated in the lottery, this section will be empty. The next section is related to the Launchpad. This section is a time-limited event that allows users to participate in new and selected projects at discounted prices and benefit from their high growth potential. The goal of this section is to provide suitable conditions for early entry into high-quality projects. Before they are listed on the public market, the main features include a limited time opportunity. These campaigns are only active for a specific period of time. The project cryptocurrencies are offered at prices lower than the public market rate, and only projects that are promising in terms of technology, security, and market potential are included in this program. From the My Subscription section, you can view and track the projects you have participated in, and by selecting the Launcher Project option, there's an opportunity for project developers who want to offer their tokens through CoinW at a discount and with promotional support. Overall, if you are looking to enter projects like these early and with lower risk, CoinW Launch 10 Count can be a suitable option to diversify your investment portfolio. Special discounts, selection of top projects, and the time-limited nature of this section have turned it into a golden opportunity for active investors. The next section is related to the More part, which includes several subsections. The first part is about referrals. In this section, users can earn a percentage of their friends' trading fees as commission by inviting them to CoinW. Your unique referral link is easy to share, and you receive rewards for each active user. Your unique referral link is displayed here, and if someone joins the CoinW exchange using your link, you can review their information in detail in this section. The next part is about Rewards Hub. In this section, users can view all received rewards, available tasks, and withdrawable prizes all in one place. This is suitable for those who are looking to earn income through simple activities on the platform. The next section is about live streaming. It's an interactive and educational part where analysts and professional traders analyze the market live. They provide important information to users, and users can interact with them. The next section is about PropW. It's a tool for high-risk, high-potential new investments. This is an innovative section for professional users who are seeking high profits through derivatives or investing in specific projects. This plan usually comes with specific rules and high risk. If you wish, by clicking the Register option, you'll be taken to the registration page for this section, where you can start your registration. The next section is about WConnect. It's a tool for connecting to the ecosystem, allowing for the integration of CoinW with other platforms. This section is for wallets, APIs, and trading services suitable for developers and advanced users. The next section is about the CoinW Token 2049. Special events and rewards. CoinW, as one of the official sponsors of the Token 2049 conference, offers opportunities such as airdrops, challenges, and special discounts related to these global events in this section. If you wish to participate, you can start your registration by clicking on the Register Now option. The next section is related to CoinW R&S. This section is a research and analysis center on the CoinW platform that helps users to professionally evaluate and compare new crypto projects before investing. Further down, you can see various projects, each of which has a dedicated analytical report that includes technical information, the development team, market status, goals, and its roadmap. Users can review these reports before making a trade and make more informed decisions. The next section is about red packets. Gift packages are available in limited quantities for users containing either cryptocurrency or discount coupons. These rewards are usually obtainable by participating in campaigns, challenges, or as gifts from friends. By selecting the Invite Friend to Claim option, you can invite your friends to this section. The next section is about the CoinW Card. A financial card linked to your CoinW account that allows users to use their crypto assets for everyday payments or ATM withdrawals. This feature has been recently introduced and aims for global accessibility. The next section is about the Daily Trading Challenge. Users can participate in the competition by making daily trades and receive rewards in the form of USDT or tokens based on their trading volume or profitability. You can review the details of the competitions in this section. The next section is about GPT-TradeAI, an AI-powered trading tool that has recently been added to the CoinW exchange. It's an AI-based tool for market analysis, suggesting trading strategies, and helping make more accurate trading decisions, suitable for both beginner and professional traders. In this section, you can type your desired question and receive its answer through the AI. The next section, which is the last part of the More section, is about the Futures Protection Program. The Futures Protection Program. This program is designed to reduce users' losses in high-risk futures trading, and under certain conditions, if a loss occurs, part of the loss will be compensated by CoinW. You can review the details of this section thoroughly. The next section is related to the wallet, where users can view general information about their digital assets and have quick access to main financial tools such as deposit, withdrawal, and order review. The top part of the page shows the estimated total assets, which is displayed approximately and in US dollars. For example, in this section, the total value of our assets across all parts of the exchange is equivalent to $20. In the Assets Overview section, this option provides a summary of the cryptocurrencies held, the balances of different accounts such as funding, spot, and futures accounts, etc., and displays their value in dollars. This section is very useful for quickly checking the status of your digital assets and includes quick buttons for deposit and withdrawal, buying, and internal transfers. The next section is related to deposits. By clicking on the deposit button, you can view your dedicated wallet address for the desired cryptocurrency and transfer digital assets from other wallet platforms to your CoinW account. In the first section, you select your desired cryptocurrency. In the second section, you choose the desired network, and in the third section, your wallet address is displayed. By scanning the QR code or copying the address and entering it into your mobile wallet, you can make deposits and withdrawals. Further down, you can review your deposit and withdrawal history. Your transaction history is displayed along with details and status. The next section is related to withdrawals. The withdraw option is used to withdraw cryptocurrency from your CoinW account and transfer it to other wallets or external exchanges. When making a withdrawal, you must enter the correct network and destination address. Please note that to make a withdrawal, you must have completed all the necessary withdrawal requirements in the exchange. And the next section is related to orders. In this section, you can check the status of your trading orders, including open orders, completed orders, or cancelled orders. This option is crucial for closely monitoring your trades. The next section is the Quick Deposit button, which allows you to easily access the account funding page. In the Profile section, you can view your user dashboard. At the top of the Profile section, you can see your registered email address and your user ID in the exchange. The first section is the Dashboard, which is the main page of the user panel and gives you an overview of your assets, trades, and account status. The second section is related to account and security. The Account Security Management section includes changing your password, enabling two-factor authentication, managing connected devices, and other security settings, all of which you can manage and review in this section. The next section is related to identity verification. This is the page for submitting documents and completing the KYC process to increase your withdrawal limit and access the full services of the exchange. We have already completed this step and our KYC status has changed to verified. The next section is about referrals. This section is about the Invite Friends program, which we have already explained to you. Here you can see your personal referral link and track the rewards you earn from referring new users. The next section is about My VIP. It displays information about your VIP user level, the benefits and conditions for upgrading your level, and access to special features. The next section is about My Rewards, My Prizes. This is the center for viewing and withdrawing all prizes, bonuses, and points earned from various campaigns and programs. The next section is about API management. This section is for configuring API keys to connect your account to automated trading tools or third-party applications. If you wish to create API keys, you can start this process through this option. And finally, there is the Logout option, which allows you to safely log out of your account. The next section is about notifications. All notifications and messages sent to you by the exchange will be received in this section, which includes 4 different categories. The next section is for downloading the CoinW Exchange's official application. By scanning this QR code, you can download the exchange's application, and in the user interface section, you can set the language and the base currency of the exchange as you wish. Currently, the selected base currency is USDT, and in this section, you can choose any currency you prefer. Changing the language will completely switch the exchange's user interface language. Let's return to the trading dashboard. And the last section of the CoinW exchange that we'll explain to you is the live support section. By clicking on the exchange's logo in this section, you'll be taken to the main page. You can see the live support icon at the bottom of the page. By clicking on this option, the live support page will open for us. First, a helpful chatbot will guide you to thoroughly address your specific question, and after your precise question is clearly identified by the intelligent bot, as you can plainly see, we received an almost instant and very comprehensive response from the bot. It connects you instantly to a support agent, and once you clearly indicate that you wish to speak with a human support representative, it immediately connects you to a human agent, allowing you to smoothly continue the chat conversation. Overall, CoinW's live support is very precise and immediate, and by clicking this option, we close the live support page. That was the review of the CoinW exchange. If any part needs further explanation or if you have any questions, feel free to join us in the comments. Wishing you success and profitable trades.